URUS, the single-use ureteroscope. Pre-sterilized and always ready to use, providing convenience and ease of use for medical professionals. No more cleaning, no more sterilization, no more cross-contamination risks. Free up your time and resources for more valuable things for your patients. We make our products considering what you consider. With URUS single-use ureteroscope, you can achieve precision and accuracy in navigating to targeted treatment areas. Its 3.2 millimeter insertion section and optimal stiffness enable you to reach difficult-to-access areas. URUS allows for precise and versatile movement with its 1:1 movement capability and 270-degree tip deflection in both directions, providing the ability to access and maneuver in difficult-to-reach areas, making it an optimal choice. Click buttons for capturing the images and record the videos whenever you need it. Two light fibers with high-quality color calibration provide you with the brighter and clearer visuals. URUS is compatible with your HD monitor by using our video processor. Our product is always available and reliable. Forward with standards. Dyne Medical Group.